Hi everyone, Miss G again. I'm trying this a little different this time. We're going to be going over the entire chapter 12 in short videos. As you can hear, Stella is taking a little drink behind me. As you're used to, there's lots of distractions at home doing school. So we're going to try our best to concentrate because there's a lot of vocab words in this chapter. Some of you that made it to Tuesday's meeting have already done 12.1. So you may move on from this video and go to the 12.2 or 12.3 video that's already posted. This chapter starts on page 697 and it has many vocab words like I said. One of the first ones is just showing you that this is called an endpoint. Okay? It's a point. That's a point. Endpoints are at the end of lines. When you have two endpoints, that makes the line stop. So it's just a segment of a line. So that is now called a line segment, which is also on your vocab words. Okay. When you have a endpoint with a line in an arrow, that means the line stops right here because the endpoint means it stops. However, it keeps going in one direction. This is called a ray. This is a ray. Okay? A ray goes in one direction. A line has two arrows, and that means it keeps going and going and going. Okay? On page 697, there is a picture of a square, and it has some points like this. And the question says, how many line segments are in this picture? Well, obviously, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So this chapter, once you get the vocab down, this lesson is fairly easy. Now we know array, line segment, and a line is. Next is called closed shape and open shapes. And guess what? They're exactly what they sound like. A closed shape is any shape that closes up, doesn't have any openings. So my little Pac-Man with a big mouth, that's a closed shape. Circle's a closed shape. Square, not a very great square, square is a closed shape. When you make a scribble like this, that's an open shape. See how it doesn't close, there's no closing spot, it's opened. That's called an open shape. However, all of these are called a plane shape. And I'm going to read the definition to you. It's on 697. A plane shape is a shape on a flat surface. It is formed by points that make curved paths or line segments or both. Okay? So a plane shape can have lines. It can have curves. That's a plane shape. This is also an open shape. If I close it up like that, that's a plane shape and a closed shape. All right, now we're going to move on to page 700, which I think I gave you some of these for 701 as your homework page. On number 18, it says, Brittany says there are two endpoints in the shape shown at the right. And the shape looks like this. It goes down. Brittany says there's two endpoints. Is she correct? Let me hear you yell it. Is she correct? Yes or no? No, she's not correct. How many endpoints does she have? One endpoint, which makes this called a ray. Okay? Practice some if you'd like, just so you get the hang of it. On page 699, there's a lot of nice ones to practice. For example, on number 4 on 699, it has this shape. and it asks, is it an open shape or a closed shape? Well, guys, you know that's an open shape. So easy. You should be able to fly through that lesson very quickly. All right, that's it for this lesson, and I will post 12.2 in about 20 minutes after this downloads. See you later. Have a great week.